Good morning, Pohnpei, and welcome back to our very own Island View News. Breaking news, Pohnpei's traffic crisis has reached coconut level red. We urge everyone to stay calm and avoid unnecessary travel. Pohnpei is officially experiencing what experts are now calling a vehicular population boom. Cars are arriving from all over the world, but especially from Japan, faster than breadfruit disappears at a family gathering. Sorry about that. Every week, more vehicles roll off ships like they're attending a very crowded reunion no one planned. According to totally serious-looking people with clipboards, the number of imported cars has grown so quickly that parking lots are now considered a luxury destination. Residents report that you can no longer just run into town real quick. You must first emotionally prepare, pack snacks, and notify relatives. Most of the imports are reliable Japanese vehicles, compact, efficient, and apparently capable of multiplying overnight. Some citizens claim if you leave an empty roadside space unattended, a car will appear there by morning. Morning traffic has reached new scientific categories. Light traffic, you're only late by 10 minutes. Heavy traffic, you recognize the same driver next to you for 3 songs straight. 3 songs! That's not traffic, that's social commitment. Extreme traffic is causing major delays. You might consider turning around and opening a small business right here on the island. Officials warn that if imports continue at this pace, future road expansion plans may include slightly into the ocean, politely asking mangroves to move. One proposed solution is a rotating driving schedule based on last names, favorite football teams, or who really needs to go somewhere. Suggested community solutions include carpooling, yes, with people you actually know, and more buses and shared rides. Doctors strongly confirm legs are still supported. Walking short distances is perfectly fine. In conclusion, Pohnpei remains beautiful, peaceful, and only slightly more bumper to bumper than intended. If we all work together and maybe stop importing 3 cars per cousin, we can prevent the island's first official underwater roundabout. Reporting live from a very slow-moving lane, this is Island View News. Kalangan! Nan yawa sa market open so chikech? Wait, the camera's still on? Oh no. Hey, turn it off! We're off the air! Come on, crew, cut the feed, now!